Let me show you a little trick here. What you'll find with not only the videos, clips, but anytime you get some of these assets from, again, videohive.net, motion graphics stock, here's what's going to happen. It's a video clip, so by default it is of a certain length, is it not? This one happens to be 5 seconds. You can make it shorter, but that's what it is. It is 5 seconds. Well, what if I want to make this last longer? In other words, to stay on the screen longer. So here's kind of my trick for doing that. This one has audio, so I'm not really going to get into, how to futz around with that. In fact, I'm going to get rid of that. Separate audio and video. Let's get rid of the audio. Okay, so now it's just this little thing that pops up, it does its particle sparkle animation. It sticks around for just a little bit of time and then it goes away. So I don't want that. I want it to last as long as I want. So I'm just going to put my playhead at the end. I'm going to snap it to the end, and then I'm going to use my comma key, which moves me to the left, step by step, 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 step. Okay, so I want that to stay. So I'm just going to kind of get to the end there before it starts to animate out. Okay, so here it's animating out. And sometimes you'll want to zoom in so you can really see the detail. So let's just move it to just before it starts animating out. I'll go ahead and split that clip. So now I have two pieces of the clip, or two clips. This one does the entrance and the stick around static part, and then this guy does the exit. So let's move this down a little bit and go to the end of this clip here. Remember, this is just sitting here, which is what I want. I'm going to hold my Alt key, and I'm going to make this longer. At this point, I can make it stay on screen as long as I want. Okay, and if I want it longer, move this guy down, do that, and then just make sure my exit stuff here, park it in at the end. So now it'll stay as long as I want, and then big finish. Yeah, so there you go. So you guys can play around with that and maybe use that little trick if you want to make it last longer. I tell you, if you discover the wonders of alpha transparency stuff that you can get, like this thing, it's awesome.